Hi guys, my name is Annie and today I'm having EMSculpt for my core and I'm about to have one for my glutes. I'm a personal trainer. I wanted to try EMSculpt because I just had 2 babies and I kind of need to get back into my old body, so I wanted a little bit of help to get there. So I'm doing my core just because I want to try to get rid of my little mom pouch, like my lower abdominals. And then my glutes, I just want to perk them up a little bit. I got the mom butt going on. So you come in, they take you to the room, they put a belt on you and they strap this funky little paddle on you, and it's not too bad. At first a little bit uncomfortable, but then it's easy, it's manageable. Second. I just finished my 4th treatment for EMSculpt at the Sharma clinic. I'll be back in a few weeks to get some after pictures. So we'll be showing you guys the results in a few weeks.